Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, for me, this Ooni guy should not have said this, but he has. So now I bring you this. Yorubas don't want war. This is attributed to Ooni, so that's the headline. The Yorubas don't want war. So this is what the Ooni is being reputed to have said. So now let's get into the body of it. Ooni of Ife, Oba Adeyeye Ogunwusi, on Thursday said the southwest region does not want to experience any other war. According to him, the drum of war is sounding loud across the country. He spoke with State House correspondents after meeting with President Muhammadu Buhari at the presidential villa in Abuja. The royal father said he came to speak to the president on behalf of traditional rulers towards improving security situation in the country. He said, "How to improve security? I came to speak on behalf of other traditional rulers. The issue at hand in the southwest is real. The issue of insecurity. We that live in the remote and rural areas of the southwestern part of the country, most of the bushes are occupied by strange people, and we have decided to work with government to fish them out. Everybody is beating the drum of war. We don't want war. Who can stand war? We want something better for our youths. We should better use them for something good other than shouting war and anarchy. We don't want that." We told the president that, and he's on the same page with us. Politicians should be careful not to throw things out of proportion. We should make sure things are right, and the president has given good directives to the security chiefs, including the IG, to visit all traditional institutions in the southwest. He said everything must be done to put all security agencies to good use and work with the locals to separate the bad eggs. He went on, "We shouldn't keep overhyping war, and we still want to keep the peace in the southwest. We don't want anarchy." According to him, the president assured him that he will say his own side of the story on the issue of Ruga because it is being taken out of context. What is important is for the youths not to take the laws into their hands and killing and causing violence. The drums of war is resonating loud, and we are very worried. We need more federal apparatus to defend ourselves, reinforcement from the federal government. We understand more than anybody. We don't want war, and we want to work with the government to bring peace. We are not saying all Fulanis are bad. It's about the bad guys working under the name of the Fulani. So he's pointed directly to them. So again, we are not saying all Fulanis are bad. It's about the bad guys working under the name of Fulanis. So this is what the Ooni has gone to the State House to say. He has gone to say this directly to Mallam Buhari at Aso Rock. But I think he should have stopped short of saying that we do not want war, because the possibility of war should be a bargaining tool, a possibility on the negotiating table to say that, look, this is a possibility and we need this addressed. So if he's now completely discounting that, and because people listen to him, because not because of him himself, but because of the position he occupies as the Ooni of Ife, so if he's now saying all this, then is again like almost like a surrender monkey kind of position. You shouldn't. Yes, you say this further down the line, but you don't say this in the heart of it when we're battling these people, and we then have them on the back foot with their leaders telling them to come back to their region, and you are now making conciliatory noises already. We should push them further back and push them out of all of the vegetations and the forest within our zone, because like you said, there are strange faces and strange people in all of the forests in the southern parts of the country. You know that a lot of the southern parts of the country is vegetation, so if there's already all these terror cells of Fulani headsmen in those places, then really we should be pressing hard rather than being conciliatory in the tone that we used. So that is why I said the Ooni should not have said that, but this is what the Ooni said. So I am now inviting your thoughts on what the Ooni said. So come share those thoughts with me in the comment section. section. But before you come share those thoughts with me in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray, the bell button, that way you're notified every time I drop a new video. Then come let me know what you've made of all this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.